So let's get down to answering the food myth. Does eating garlic make your body odor stink? To sum it up, maybe, but not all hope is lost. While you may want to avoid garlic on your first date, scientists have found some remedies that work to decrease the effect of garlic on your body odor. When garlic is chopped or cut, it releases the organic compound allicin, which acts like the garlic's defense mechanism to being crushed. Larry D. Larson and Z. Jonathan Wang conducted and published a scientific study on the chemical effects of garlic for the American Chemical Society. The study found that garlic containing allicin increased odor. Additionally, the research concluded that the main metabolite of allicin, AMS, was essential for the chemical reaction of smell. While many people rave about the health properties of raw garlic due to allicin's anti-inflammatory properties, its release of smelly organic sulfur compounds is usually enough to dissuade people from ingesting large quantities of raw garlic. Allicin breaks down into 4 smaller sulfurous compounds: dialide, disulfide, allyl-mercaptan, allyl-methyl disulfide, and the smelliest of them all, allyl-methyl sulfide. Now you may be asking yourself, how do these microscopic compounds affect your body odor so greatly? Well, the human body is very sensitive to sulfur, even small amounts. So eating the entire loaf of garlic bread is definitely going to make its appearance later on. Notably, the sulfurous compounds mainly behind your personal cloud of garlic odor is allyl-methyl sulfide, not only because it lingers in your breath, but because it works its way into your bloodstream, affecting the tissues of your lungs and even secreting itself out of your pores, pee, and sweat. So basically, allyl-methyl sulfide is the compound responsible for causing you to stink from eating too much garlic. While you may think you reek after a garlic-abundant meal and blame it on paranoia, garlic's odorous compounds can actually take up to 2 days to metabolize and disappear from your bloodstream. Luckily for us, scientists and probably fellow garlic lovers have conducted studies to find ways to combat garlic breath and body odor. The first and pretty obvious remedy for garlic odor is brushing your teeth to remove the residual plaque, as well as decrease the presence of odor-causing bacteria lingering in your mouth. Sadly, this approach is only effective in momentarily resolving bad breath. Now, a more effective solution you may have not thought of before for improving bad breath and pungent body odor after consuming garlic is to eat raw apples, lettuce, and mint leaves. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Food Science experimented with the concept of enzymatic deodorization, a process where garlic's volatiles, the compounds responsible for creating garlic's signature aroma, could be purified with the reaction of phenolic compounds in a number of foods, specifically apples, lettuce, mint leaves, and green tea. This study measured volatile levels in the participants' breath pre- and post-phenolic consumption and tested variations of the foods eaten raw, heated, or juiced to see which would have the greatest deodorizing impact on the garlic breath. Ultimately, the study found that eating raw mint leaves, raw apples, and raw lettuce had the greatest effect on improving garlic breath because of the presence of phenolic compounds, rosmarinic acid, quercetin, and catechin. Due to their high phenolic antioxidant levels, the raw forms of these foods have the greatest deodorization on garlic's organic sulfur compounds. In conclusion, eating garlic does make your body odor stink, but there are ways to work around this. By brushing your teeth, the bad garlic odor in your mouth is temporarily removed. But there is even a more effective way to mask the smell of garlic. This is through raw lettuce, apples, and mint leaves. Following these tips will help make your mouth from smelling bad after garlic so people will not be repulsed by you.